So today I'll be showing you how to find your Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Now, if you've misplaced the Smart Tag and whatever it has, maybe a backpack or some keys like this, then here's how to find it. So you want to go to your Samsung phone and then go to the Find app, or you can go to the Smart Things app, and from the Smart Things app, you go to devices, select your specific smart tag, and it has the shortcut to go to the Find app by selecting View Map. That's going to open up the Find app, or alternatively, you can go directly to the Find app. Either way, it's going to work. So go to devices and select your specific device. I mean, go to items. Okay. Now, devices mostly lists phones and tablets. If you go to items, you will see your smart tag. Now, I've renamed mine to Nissan Patrol. Yours could have the default name or whatever name you want. So this is my smart tag, and you can see I can locate it on a map. You can see it. That's where it is on the map. Now, if I want to, if it's near me, I can simply make it ring, and it's gonna make a sound. I can be able to use that to find it. Now, alternatively, I can use the navigation option. So if I tap on the three dots, I can open up the smart tag on its own page. You can see it's on, and I have all these options. You can actually see the battery level. Now you can choose navigate, and that's gonna guide you using either the Google Maps or whatever app you want, and it's going to help you to navigate to exactly where that smart tag is. All right, so I'm gonna go to Google Maps right here. You can dismiss that and then select that, and now it's going to give you and plot for you a route in Google Maps to exactly
Your destination is on the right.
to exactly where that smart tag is. All right. Now, of course, you have driving directions. You can have walking directions if you want to. And that is basically how you can navigate and find your Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Now, if you want to, or if you don't have a phone near you, or maybe your phone is somewhere near the Smart Tag, you can use any browser. Okay, so for instance, I can even use an iPhone like this one. So go to any supported browser. For me, I have Google Chrome. If you go to the smartthingsfind.samsung.com website, that's the Samsung website. So smartthingsfind.samsung.com, go to that website, sign in with your Samsung account, the same Samsung account that was used to set up the smart tag. You should be able to see it on a map. Okay, now you don't have plenty of options here. Now, of course, you can come here and you can see this is the last general location. Okay, so you have the option to make it ring right from any browser, even on a desktop PC, on your Mac. Okay, so you can make it ring from there, or you can pick up the you can see the location on a map, and then you can go and put in that location inside Google Maps or wherever, any other kind of maps that you like to use. So those are the different ways you can find your Galaxy Smart Tag 2. All right, thanks for watching and good luck.